In the heart of a vast and mysterious world, a man named Christopher Columbus, a determined explorer, stood resolute before the Spanish monarchs, King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella. Clad in a cloak of ambition, he presented them with an audacious proposal to sail west in search of a sea route to the east that could revolutionize trade and expand the reach of their empire. Columbus, a visionary navigator, was driven by an unquenchable thirst to explore the unknown. He believed the earth was smaller than it actually was, and that by sailing west, he could reach the fabled lands of Asia in just 3 months. His conviction, though met with skepticism, was unwavering. The year was 1492, a time of political upheaval and religious fervor in Europe. King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella, having just expelled the Jews from Spain and unified the country, were seeking new avenues to bolster their power and wealth. Columbus's proposal, though seemingly fantastical, presented an opportunity they could not ignore. With the blessing of the monarchs, Columbus set sail on August 3, 1492, commanding 3 ships, the Santa Maria, the Pinta, and the Nina. The voyage was a gamble, a daring leap into the unknown. The ships sailed west, the vast ocean stretching out before them, a sea of uncertainty. Months passed, and the land remained elusive. The crew, their spirits flagging, grew desperate. But Columbus, steadfast in his belief, pressed on. Then, on October 12, 1492, the Santa Maria, leading the fleet, sighted land. It was not the land of Asia, but a new world, an island in the Bahamas that Columbus named San Salvador. The sight of land was a momentous occasion, a turning point in history. Columbus had discovered a new world, a land teeming with diverse flora and fauna, and indigenous people he called Indians. This discovery signaled the beginning of a new era, an era of exploration, colonization, and the clash of cultures that would shape the course of history. Columbus returned to Spain in 1493, his ships laden with gold, spices, and exotic treasures. His voyage had been a success, and his discovery of the New World would forever change the course of human history. Yet, the consequences of his discovery would also bring about the devastation of indigenous cultures and the spread of disease, slavery, and colonization. The story of Christopher Columbus's first voyage is a reminder of the complexities and contradictions of history. It is a tale of ambition and discovery, of courage and tragedy, a testament to the human spirit's insatiable desire to explore, expand, and conquer. It is a story that continues to resonate, a story that continues to shape our world today.